All right, let's study some Korean. What are you two doing here?
We're your conscience. 우리가 한국어 알려주러 왔어요.
I'm just here so you don't waste our time. 제가 지름길을 좀 알거든요.
안녕하세요. 여러분의 한국어 선생님 고빌리입니다. I'm a Korean teacher and I've been learning for almost 20 years. And I'm going to give you my personal tips for how you can improve your Korean studying. So let's get right into the first tip. Set small, achievable goals. I have a tiny daily goal that I make sure to do whether I'm busy or tired or even sick. All right, so let's try just 10 minutes for today.
Wonderful. 우리 맨날 기억할 수 있게 스케줄표 적어두자.
10 minutes? Are you serious? Who's gonna get fluent in 10 minutes? I have a better idea.
뭔데?
이것 봐봐, K-드라마야. 분명히 K-드라마 보면서 훨씬 더 빠르게 배울걸? 이거 봐봐. 어때?
글쎄요.
어머머, 이거 얘네 첫 번째 데이트 가는 거 아니야?
맞아.
너무
키스할 수도 있어.
So I recommend something small. Try like 5 minutes of vocabulary study and maybe 10 minutes of grammar and see if you like it. If you have more time, you can always study more, but these small goals should help you to stay motivated. And I have a note in my calendar every day, so I always remember to do this. Okay, so 10 minutes, or is it 15 minutes? Or maybe, should I do 12 and a half? Are either of you listening?
알았어.
좋아. 그래서 여기 다음 거 보면 이게 나오거든? 저 대박이지?
No matter how you study, whether you watch videos or read lessons, use it. In fact, this is the most important tip that I can give you. Find some Korean YouTubers you like, or podcasts, or TV shows. And of course, all of this counts as studying, as long as you're not just reading the English subtitles. Also, make some online Korean friends. You can play games with them and chat and hang out with them later when you're in Korea. Oh, I never thought about making online friends.
생각보다 쉬워. 언어 교환할 수 있는 앱 진짜 많아.
Friends? All I found on those apps is lonely people or scammers asking for money.
Come on, not everyone's a scammer.
Wait! Last week I sent someone $300 and they stopped replying.
That was a scammer.
Oh no!
That's fine, sister. Come here, I'll hug you. How could you not know that?
You need to be practicing what you're learning, ideally for more time than you're studying every day. So get out there and just try to find someone to practice with.
Even if they're a scammer?
I guess if they scam you in Korean?
Maybe the real scammers are the friends we made along the way.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket, and don't rely on only one resource. I mean, my lessons are great, but you'll get different perspectives from different teachers. Okay, I've got Billy Go's video course and a good dictionary app on my phone. I think I'm ready to go.
Wait, no other resources?
I guess I can afford to maybe get a reading book?
One reading book? 아니 제대로 된 돈도 안 쓰면서 무슨 한국말을 잘하겠다 그래.
I'm just trying to keep costs down. I mean, the video course is free and the dictionary was free,
Just
so...
leave him alone. He has a lot of money. 그냥 돈 쓰기 싫어하시는 거야.
돈 좀 있어?
I didn't say that. I'm just trying to be frugal.
빈털털이야?
Now, don't jump around from resource to resource. I recommend following one or maybe two main resources so that you'll have structure to your learning. And then also add a variety of supporting resources like vocabulary books, grammar lessons, reading practice, and other tools and resources. I'm not broke, I'm just trying to not overwhelm myself with too many resources.
You're not broke? Great, then you can buy us dinner.
I guess.
I want sushi.
I want T-bone steak.
Wait, I want sushi and T-bone steak.
Great idea.
Most learners skip this one, but pay attention to pronunciation and sound change rules. Because although you can learn the alphabet in just a few hours, without sound change rules, you won't know how to pronounce anything correctly. Whenever I learn a new word, I always write down the actual pronunciation next to it.
That's an amazing idea.
Oh, 지루해. So boring.
What's wrong with that?
I mean, who wants to spend like 10 hours of memorizing a bunch of rules? Korean should be fun and easy. 쉽고 재밌어야지.
Well, it's more fun when people can understand what I'm saying.
근데 근데 잠깐만. 한국말 쉽잖아. 그냥 읽으면 되잖아.
그냥 어렵고 복잡하대잖아. 그냥
뭐 해줄 수 있는 거 없을까?
Well, how about this? I'll watch a lesson about sound change rules and I'll take some really good notes and then we can just move on.
Oh, we can live with that?
그러던지 말던지.
다 같이 동의해서 너무 좋다!
Everyone learns in their own way and at their own speed, so you shouldn't compare yourself to others. In fact, the only person you should compare yourself to is yourself. I always feel so motivated when I look at my old study notes because I can see just how far I've come.
좋아, 좋아. Good job. But don't you wish your Korean was just a little better?
Sometimes.
타일러 라시 말하는 거지? 한국말 진짜 잘하잖아.
Yeah, so much better.
Hey, that's not nice. Keep a record of yourself in Korean by either writing or recording yourself. Just something that you can look back on later and see how much you've improved.
대박 사건. 나 타일러 라시 10년 전 영상 찾았거든? 근데 얘보다 잘해.
진짜 잘하네?
진짜 잘하지.
I'm really sorry.
It's okay to not be perfect, especially when you're still a beginner. It's a normal part of learning Korean. Can I be honest? I make mistakes in Korean sometimes.
Of course, even native Korean speakers make mistakes.
Even you too?
나 전화잖아, remember? Not me and her.
No. It's she and I.
What?
Don't be hard on yourself. If you're not making any mistakes, it just means that you're not practicing much. Plus, Koreans don't care at all if you make mistakes. They're just impressed if you can say 안녕하세요.
방금 안녕하세요라고 한 거 들었어?
그러니까 너무 괜찮다. 잘하는데?
진짜 잘하네?
I didn't hear anything. You see? There is no secret method to learning Korean, and it can just take years to become fluent. So keep going and you'll get there. I know it takes a long time to master Korean, but I'm patient.
Right, nobody can master Korean in just a few months.
Yeah, I mean, my teacher, Billy Go, he said he's been studying almost 20 years, and yet he still learns new things often. It's true.
Actually, I saw a video where someone said they got fluent just in 1 month.
Define fluent.
How did I do it? I want to see it!
찾았다.
뭐.
근데 100불 내야 돼. 신용카드 있어?
Hey, give me your credit card.
Thank you.
Certain grammar forms and concepts will just take time to master, no matter how you're learning them. Learning Korean is a lot like running a marathon. Practice it as much as you can, and that will help you to learn it more quickly, but ultimately, it still takes a lot of time to reach actual fluency. This can be a year or longer, depending on how often you're practicing.
What is it?
One more payment, then we can know the real secret to mastering Korean.
Woo! One more payment. Please give it to me.
Fifth time today.
Thanks a lot.
So that's how I study Korean, and it's worked out pretty well for me so far.
Haven't you been learning for almost 20 years?
Yeah, shouldn't you be like perfect by now?
I mean, I'm pretty good, and these tips should help everyone out there too. Who are you both talking to?
Well, I think your tips are boring.
No, they're good tips, but they're too realistic.
Oh,
See, you should teach us some secrets and shortcuts, not these boring tips.
but these tips are classic. They work.
Classic? More like, help me out here, sister.
Jurassic?
괜찮아. 나쁘지 않아. Jurassic. 아무튼, 난 간다.
우리 카페 가서 드라마 보자. 나 어떻게 끝나는지 보고 싶어.
Oh, you're leaving?
Bye bye.
Good luck learning Korean. 멀리서 응원할게.
From here.
Can't you at least help me correct my pronunciation?
Later.
So these were my tips for how I study and practice Korean. Good luck in your studies, everyone. Thank you for joining us, the Choi sisters. They're going to be uploading a video soon, so make sure to check that
You'll
out.
be dancing too.
Or maybe it's already uploaded. If it's already uploaded, I'll put it in the description box below. Thank you everyone for watching, and we will see you again next time. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.
다음에 또 봐. Bye bye.
What are you two doing here?
We're sorry. 오, 이거 얘.
Don't hit her.
Are you an angel? Are you sure?
Oh, I never thought about making online exchange. Oh. My line is so short.
All I found on those apps are those really weird people.
How come lonely changed to weird?
진짜 부자야. 돈 정말 많아. 근데 he just doesn't wanna. I forgot. He just doesn't wanna.
3, 2.
Wait, I want T-bone steak.
Why did you get rid of sushi and all of a sudden?
방금 안녕하세요라고 왜 지금 삑살이 났어.
So these were my tips for how I study and practice Korean. Good luck in your studies Korean.